Okay, good morning. So we're looking at a 5-minute chart here. I'm going to pull this down so we can see what prediction points we have. So we've got this one at 95.75. Kind of played around on both sides of it here in the Globex. So I've come down here to this wick as low as 92. And then as high over here is 99. So kind of an interesting day here because we've got, if you come back here and you look, we've got this down here at 84, and very possible we could come back here and use this. And then we haven't hit this target up here yet. And so ideally we want to come up and hit this target. We've got this 06 and we've got 10 quarter. So might even be possible that these should be flip-flopped and that this 06 is a KP and that this 10 quarter is the CPA. So those might be a little backwards. The CPA, the difference with that is that we're looking for the market to go from CPA to CPA. So we want it to go from here to here. So what I'm telling you is that it's more likely, I'm likely a stronger seller up here at 10 quarter than I am here at 06. So it doesn't mean I wouldn't try it at 06, it just means I'm likely more of a seller at 10. And then, of course, above there, we've got all these CPAs. So kind of the same thing, one at a time. So on the, above here, we're going to here, above here, we're going to there. So this has been holding up here pretty nicely. I mean, you can see this is, there's been some pretty good support here. This is really holding up this 92.5, 90, even 93 down to 92. So about that 1 point has been holding up pretty well. And then we marked out this high, which we had from before at 88. So at this point, I would say back below the KP, maybe that, we've been saying that 94 area a lot this week. So maybe to below that 94 area. But probably not the same tight range-bound market that we've seen. So one of the things I was thinking this morning is it's likely that we're going to see another, maybe not a huge push, but a little bit more volatility before we head right into Christmas. So maybe, another day, maybe another 2 days of some decent volatility before we head into Christmas next week. So down here we've got 84 quarter. Could come down here. You can see this has been fairly important. We traded up to it, and then down here. So either of these below 79 get us back to 68. And then below 68 would be for at least 54. We really already used this here. So again, one at a time. So holding above this KP, we want to come back up here into one of these two, very possibly here. And then holding up above, of course, so we want to look at what's going to be important. So this is an all-time high at 03.5, 02.5 area. So just keeping an eye on some of these important levels as we're heading up here. And then back below the KP, worst case, back below this like 94, 93 area, but really back below the KP, and then worst case below 94, 93, that should get us back down here, at least minimum to 88, but really likely back down to 84 quarter. Remember yesterday we said this was even likely to go see this, so can't rule that out at all. And then not a long opportunity here or here, shorting here or here. And if we get outside of that, then it's kind of one at a time to the next prices. Okay, we'll see you in the live trade signals.